Welcome to Cooking with Mom. Hi, everyone.
Hi, Lily. Hi, everyone.
Hi, Tofu.
Hi, Lily. What are we preparing today?
Today we are preparing Rainbow Veggie Wraps.
Do we have everything we need, Mom?
Let me check our lists of ingredients. I think we need to go shopping, Lily. Our list says we need some whole wheat or spinach tortillas, a cup of hummus, 1 cup of baby spinach or lettuce, half cup of shredded carrots, half cup of red pepper strips, half cup of corn kernels, half cup of cucumber sticks, and half cup of diced avocado. Also, if we want, we can add some good nutritional yeast.
Yes, I love shopping. Let's go, Mommy. We'll be back soon. La 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 la.
Let's make sure we do not forget anything.
I can't wait to get started.
Look at all these wonderful veggies. Did you know that avocados are actually a fruit and not a vegetable?
First thing, we need to wash all the veggies really well.
And then let's put them in different bowls. Did you know that a plant-based meal can give you all the energy without slowing you down?
All right, you two, let's get started. First, we need the tortillas.
And I am going to spread some hummus on the base of our wraps.
Did you know that hummus is made from chickpeas, tiny beans, packed with proteins?
Now put some spinach leaves on top of the hummus, and then some carrot strips.
And then some corn, Mommy.
And cucumber strips. Remember, cucumbers are full of water, so they help you keep cool and hydrated.
Now let's add some red pepper strips.
Hey, remember that red food like peppers can help your heart to stay strong.
Last thing, Mommy, the avocado.
Ta-da! Look, Lily, it's a rainbows of colors.
I can't wait to have a bite.
All right, but first, we need to wrap it up.
Nice and slow. It looks delicious. I am going to take my first bite. 1, 2, and
I am going to have a bite too, Lily. Moms, remember, cooking together helps kids learn teamwork and confidence, and it's a wonderful time to share.
Here are our Rainbow Veggie Wraps.
We hope you have enjoyed this recipe.
And don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for some delicious new recipes to prepare together.
Bye, everyone.